Hello, welcome to The Dish. I'm Natasha Ho. Today I want to talk to you about salting and seasoning your food. This is an absolutely essential skill for creating delicious food. So I want to talk to you about how do you get really good at salting your food, and how do you know how much salt is enough salt in your food. And there's really one key way that's an important thing for you to practice in the kitchen in order to get great at seasoning food, and that is tasting as you go. Tasting as you're cooking your food. From the very start, you always want to be tasting your food. As soon as you get aromatics in the pan, you want to add salt and then taste. And every time you add more elements to the pan, you continue adding salt in order to layer those flavors and be able to make sure that the salt is integrated and enhancing all of the ingredients from the start. You don't want to wait until the end of your cooking to add salt, because then the salt will only be there at the front of the palate. It won't have a chance to really soak into the ingredients, enhance their flavors, and shine throughout the entire dish. So you want to make sure that you're salting the whole entire way through, and that you're tasting. Every time you add something new to the pot or the pan, continue tasting so that you can make sure to balance out those flavors and add salt as is necessary, so that you have a really balanced and delicious dish on the other side of your cooking experience. So speaking of all of that, I want to make sure that you know today is the day we are starting the Cooking and Flavor Mastery Academy inside my group Travel and Feast. It is a 5-day cooking extravaganza where I'm going to be teaching you how to sharpen your skills and master cooking with global flavors. So if you have not already registered, if you're not already planning to be there, make sure you look out for the link that's on this page to get registered, and then come on over to my group Travel and Feast, where we are hosting the Cooking and Flavor Mastery Academy starting today, January 4th, and continuing through this Friday, January 8th. I cannot wait to see you there, so make sure to come on over and join me for the Cooking and Flavor Mastery Academy. I'll see you soon. Bye.